Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciated you watching my videos. I really appreciate the 70 follows that I have right now. I know it sounds like nothing, but I think it's very nice that 70 people want to see what videos I put out next, and it's very nice of you. Thank you. What I want to talk to you about today is again the Hyundai Kona electric. I'm amazingly excited about this car. I'm inhaling videos of other YouTubers and watching them twice to 3 times. I still don't know when I will get the car. I can't wait. I have so many ideas what I want to try, what I want to film. I have like I don't know, 20 or 30, around 20 videos planned, and road trips, and I don't know what. It all depends if the car dealer lets me drive how far that I want to, because I need around, I think, estimated 1,200 kilometers. That's a lot. But I have so much planned, and I think it will be great videos and will be very interesting and exciting. I'm already so excited and can't wait that I even downloaded the manual of the car. I'm studying it. I mean, how nerdy is that? Oh my god. But I'm on page 50 now. There's 500 pages. I hope it's more languages. It's not 500 pages just in English. But I've already seen a few things that are interesting about the car and that I want to show, and that I want to explain. It's just a lot of stuff in that car that's really interesting. I mean, there's always the normal stuff in there with safety and what is an electric car and everything. But I'm already thinking like 3 or 4 things that are interesting. And if you know that, even features I didn't know about. Maybe the Hyundai Ioniq had that too, but I didn't know about it. Really, really great. So again, really going through that manual. I want to read it in the next few days and go through all the pages and see everything. And I want to know every button and know everything before I get the car, so I can enjoy driving. And I want to make so many videos, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm so excited. It's weird, I'm even more excited than with the Tesla Model S. It's weird, but again, there are millions of videos of the Tesla Model S, but when I get the car, I will make a few videos that nobody did before, and it will be interesting, so stay tuned for that. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.